in Sterling Hall. I'm gonna make a really quick video of this ThyssenKrupp elevator. Sounds like an MRL. It smells interesting in here. These might be ISIS. I think they are. Yeah, I think these are TK ISIS. Or this is. Oh wait, no. I heard it's not bottom drive, I heard the motor at the top, so I don't think this is, I think this is just a regular Synergy. Pretty nice elevator. Anyway, much older, the building's much older than it though. That will be it. Now you can see they like added the elevator in.